Hi friends, how are you? By blessings to God, you are doing well. So this is Dr. A B JENA, faculty member, PG Department of Business Management, Fakirmon University, as well as the coordinator, PG Department of Commerce, Fakirmon University, Vyasabihar, Balasore, Odisha. Friends, today we are going to discuss the 70 vital MCQs from the Business Finance. I have prepared these 70 vital MCQs as per the prescribed syllabus given by UGC for the subject of commerce. So before discussion, so once again I am welcoming to all of you to your channel, to my channel Dr. A B JENA classes. So far as today's डिस्कशन, आज का डिस्कशन बहुत बहुत यूजफुल होगा पर्टिकुलर लेक्चरशिप के लिए, मतलब ओपीएससी, यूनिवर्सिटी लेवल, एसएसबी, पीजीटी फॉर द सब्जेक्ट ऑफ कॉमर्स. फिर भी आज का डिस्कशन बहुत बहुत यूजफुल एंड फ्रूटफुल होगा पर्टिकुलर द सेमिस्टर एग्जाम्स सो फार एज द दैट इज द बीबीए, एमबीए, बीकॉम, एमकॉम एंड अदर रिलेटेड सब्जेक्ट. सो आज का डिस्कशन भी बहुत बहुत यूजफुल एंड फ्रूटफुल होगा पर्टिकुलर दैट इज द PG entrance examination as well as the PhD entrance exam so far as the commerce and management subjects are concerned. So friends, during the discussion, if you find any difference or gap, kindly you give your valuable comment and suggestion in the comment section. So friends, I am requesting to all of you, don't skip the video, and you will get the question from the financial management as well as you will get the questions from the international financial management as well as from the risk management and international monetary system. So friends, without delay आज का डिस्कशन शुरू हो जाए. सो क्या बात है, आइए हम डिस्कशन करेंगे एक का बाद एक वाइटल 70 MCQs. Friends, it's part 12, so I have already posted the 11 parts. Kindly go through the playlist and definitely you will know more and more. And so before discussion, again I am wishing all the very best for your NTA ugc-net JRF exemption for the subject of commerce as well as so this will be helpful for the management subjects as well as semester exemption and other related exams. So हमारा पहला MCQ क्या है? So which are the main limitations of traditional approach of financial management? First, more emphasis on long-term problems. Second, it's one-sided approach. Third, it's ignoring the allocation of resources. Fourth one, it's disregard working capital financing. So friends, select the right option from the following as given below. A, all the above except 2. B, all the above except 3. C, it's all the above except 4. D, it's all the above. Friends, so D is the right option for this MCQ. आइए फ्रेंड्स, हम चर्चा करेंगे व्हाट इज द मीनिंग ऑफ फाइनेंशियल मैनेजमेंट. सो FM financial management is that the managerial activities which is concerned with the planning and controlling the firms the financial resources. It's the meaning of financial management. So friends, your D is the right option for this MCQ. सो नेक्स्ट वन हम देखेंगे कौन सा रेशियो और डैश रेशियो स्टेट्स दैट हाउ मच पर्सन ऑफ अर्निंग्स इज डिस्ट्रीब्यूटेड इन द फॉर्म ऑफ डिविडेंड टू शेयर होल्डर्स. इन व्हिच रेशियो? A, it's dividend yield ratio. B, it's the dividend payout ratio. C, it's the dividend per share ratio. D, it's the equity capital ratio. Friends, so B is the right option for this MCQ. मतलब dividend payout ratio states that how much portion of earnings is distributed in the form of a dividend to shareholders. So friends, so B is the right option for this MCQ. So next one MCQ हम देखेंगे, if an equity shareholder if an equity shareholder buys the shares of a company at more than the face value of share, then which ratio is calculated? Which ratio is calculated? Whether dividend yield ratio, B, it's dividend payout ratio, C, it's that is the earnings yield ratio, D, it's equity capital ratio. Friends, so C is the right option for this MCQ. So in this situation, so earning yield ratio will be calculated. So C is the right option for this MCQ. So next one हम देखेंगे, a finance manager performs which functions for management of profitability of a business firm. A. Its pricing. B. Its cost control. C. It's the measurement of cost of capital. 4. It's forecasting the future profits. Fifth one, it's measurement of a capital structure. So friends, so select the right option from the following as given below. A. It's all the above except first. B. It's all the above except 2. C. It's all the above except 3. D. It's all the above, friends. So D is the right option for this MCQ. So the finance manager will perform these functions. Friends, so D is the right option for this MCQ. So next one हम देखेंगे the financial decisions involve what? Whether a investment decision, second it's the financing decision, third one it's the dividend decision, fourth one it's a cash and receivable decision. Select the right option from the following as given below. A. It's all the above except 1. B. It's all the above except 2. C. It's all the above except 3. D. It's all the above except D. Friends, so D is the right option for this MCQ. The financial decisions are investment decision, financing decision, and dividend decision. So friends, so here D, so this will not be, matlab the cash and receivable decision will not be involved in the financial decision. So next one हम देखेंगे NAV. So friends, it's the net asset value of units of mutual fund means what? Whether A, it's the net asset value of mutual fund. B, it's the net profit of mutual fund unit. C, it's the net assets divided by the number of outstanding units. D, it's the total of market value of all investments and income. Friends, so C is the right option for this MCQ. Friends, you have to remember NAV it's calculated by, that is the net assets divided by number of outstanding units. Next, beta measures what? A, it's the liquidity risk. B, it's the market risk. C, it's the financial risk. D, it's both B and C. Friends, so B is the right option for this MCQ. The beta measures क्या है? The market risk, measures the market risk. आइए फ्रेंड्स हम चर्चा करेंगे what is the meaning of beta. It's the symbol of beta. So beta is a concept which measures the expected move in a stock. Relative stock मतलब friends here the share relative to movements in the overall market. If beta greater than 1, and that the stock is more volatile than the broader market. If beta is less than 1 or 1.0, which indicates the stock with lower volatility. So friends, you have to remember what is the meaning of beta, and that is a 0.1 or it's more than 1 or less than 1. What would be the movement or volatile position of the stock in the stock market? So next one हम देखेंगे which statements are true with regard to the equity share. Friends, whether first it's getting the permanent capital by a company, second limited liability, third one it's not compulsory for dividend payment, fourth one it's a right of management, fifth one it's a right to sell the own share, last one it's a no mortgage of a property. So friends, so select the right option from the followings. A, it's all the above except second. B, it's all the above, it's except third. Third one it's all C, it's all the above except fourth. So friends, it's typing error, it's third. मतलब not compulsory for dividend payment. Fourth one it's all the above, friends. So D is the right option for this MCQ. Friends, मतलब so these are the important features of a equity share. So next one MCQ हम देखेंगे gilt edge market refers to the market for क्या? Whether it's the foreign securities, B it's the public limited securities, C it's government and semi-government securities, D it's all the above, friends. So C is the right option for this MCQ. The gilt edge market refers to the market for government and semi-government securities. So C is the right option for this MCQ. Next one, dash shares or कौन से shares are not redeemed during the lifetime of the company. Whether A it's preference shares, B it's the equity shares, C it's the past debenture, D it's a the second debenture. So no doubt friends, so B is the right option for this MCQ. Equity shares are not redeemed during the lifetime of the company. So next one हम देखेंगे, dash is the most important and common form of a dividend paid by a company. Whether it's a stock dividend, B it's the cash dividend, C it's the bond dividend, D it's the property dividend. So friends, so A is the right option for this MCQ. मतलब stock dividend is the most important and common form of a dividend which is paid by a company. So A is the right option for this MCQ. So next one, financial leverage arises due to what? Whether interest cost, B is the fixed cost of production, C it's C, that is the variable cost, D is the inputted cost. Friends, so A is the right option for this MCQ. The financial leverage arises due to the interest cost. So friends, आइए हम चर्चा करेंगे what is the meaning of financial leverage. So leverage is an investment strategy of using or by using the borrowed money, specifically the use of various financial instruments or borrowed capital to increase the potential return of an investment of a business firm. So it's the meaning of a financial leverage. So next one हम देखेंगे assets on its A. Working capital management refers to manage the current assets and current liabilities. So reason are, but the major concern is to manage the current assets because the current liabilities arise in the context of a current assets. Whether A is right and R is not right, B it's R is right and A is not right, C it's both A and R are right, D it's both A and R are not right. Friends, so C is the right option for this MCQ. मतलब assertion as well as the reasons both are right. आइए फ्रेंड्स हम चर्चा करेंगे what is the meaning of working capital. So working capital, let's say the liquidity metric expressed as the difference between companies or firms' current assets and its current liabilities. So working capital is equal to what is this? Current assets minus current liabilities. So friends, for your kind information, so I have already posted one video, that is the types of working capital and the difference between the variable working capital and permanent working capital, as well as what are the factors influencing the working capital. Kindly go through the posted video. Definitely you will know more and more. So next one हम देखेंगे, if ANPV net present value is positive, then IRR मतलब internal rate of return will be क्या है? Whether K is equal to R, B it's K greater than R, C it's K less than R, D it's positive. So friends, K मतलब क्या है? It's the cost of capital, R मतलब it's that is the return. So no doubt friends, so it's C is the right option for this MCQ. The K मतलब cost of capital is greater than the return R. So friends, आइए हम चर्चा करेंगे what is the meaning of ANPV. It's the common question. What is this? It's the difference between the present value of cash inflows and the present value of cash outflows over a period of time. It's the मतलब meaning of ANPV. So next one हम देखेंगे, the degree of financial leverage of a business indicates which types of risks. Whether A it's operating risk, B it's the financial risk, C it's the exchange rate risk, D it's all the above. No doubt friends, so B is the right option for this MCQ. So I am suggesting you, kindly you do some numerical from the cost of capital as well as from the capital structure and the dividend theory as well as capital budgeting. You may get the numerical in the net exam. So friends, so kindly do some numerical. So next one हम देखेंगे, a company issues which types of debenture in India. Whether A it's the bearer debentures, B it's the irredeemable debenture. So it's friends, the typing error is there. So debenture. Then third one it's a non-convertible debentures, D it's all the above. No doubt friends, so D is the right option for this MCQ. So friends, I have already posted one video, the meaning of a debenture and the types of debentures and the basic difference between share and debenture, and you will get more points also there in the basic of differences. Kindly go through the posted video. सो नेक्स्ट वन MCQ हम देखेंगे अकॉर्डिंग टू वाल्टर्स मॉडल ए बिजनेस फर्म शुड पे 100% डिविडेंड टू शेयर होल्डर्स इफ द IRR मतलब इट्स इंटरनल रिटर्न इंटरनल रेट ऑफ रिटर्न विल बी क्या है वेदर K इज इक्वल टू R, B इट्स द K ग्रेटर देन R, C इट्स द K लेस देन R, D is none of the above. Friends, so A is the right option for this MCQ. So in this situation, the IRR will be क्या है, what is the cost of capital is equal to that is the rate or the return from the investment. So A is the right option for this MCQ. So आइए हम मैचिंग करेंगे. So list 1 with list 2. That is it's the types of debenture, redeemable debentures, B it's the convertible debentures, C it's the unsecured debentures, D it's the secured debentures, and it's that is the explanation. First क्या है, that is the payment, then second option, third one it's no mortgage on property, fourth one it's mortgaged on property. Friends, so select the right option from the following. A it's A4, B3, C2, D1, B A1, B2, 3 C3, D4, C A3, B2, C4, D1, D it's A2, B3, C4, D1. Friends, so B is the right option for this MCQ. मतलब A redeemable debenture, A with debenture, then convertible debenture it's with the option, then the unsecured debentures it's no mortgage on property, then D it's secured debentures will be matched with the mortgaged on property. So friends, so B is the right option for this MCQ. So next one हम देखेंगे, very cute image. The birds in hand argument is given by whom? Whether M a model, B it's the residuals theory, C it's the Walters model, D it's the Gordon's model. Friends, so D is the right option for this MCQ. The bird in hand argument is given by whom? The Gordon's model. So D is the right option for this MCQ. So next one हम देखेंगे according to the authors of text which decision is the most important from 3 financial management decision. कौन सा वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट और मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट? ए इट्स डिविडेंड डिसीजन, बी इट्स इन्वेस्टमेंट डिसीजन, थर्ड वन इट्स सी इट्स द फाइनेंसिंग डिसीजन, डी इट्स द कैश मैनेजमेंट डिसीजन. फ्रेंड्स, सो बी इज द राइट ऑप्शन फॉर दिस MCQ. सो इन्वेस्टमेंट डिसीजन इज मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट एज कंपेयर टू द अदर 2 डिसीजन, मतलब डिविडेंड डिसीजन एंड फाइनेंसिंग डिसीजन. सो नेक्स्ट वन हम देखेंगे मैच द फॉलोइंग्स इन लिस्ट विथ लिस्ट 2. इन लिस्ट ए क्या है? ए ABC एनालिसिस, बी इट्स NPV, सी इट्स दैट इज द ROI रिटर्न ऑन इन्वेस्टमेंट, डी इट्स द कंट्रीब्यूशन मार्जिन. लिस्ट 2 में क्या क्या है? इट्स BE एनालिसिस, सेकेंड इट्स प्रोजेक्ट इवैल्यूएशन, थर्ड वन सी इट्स द इन्वेंटरी कंट्रोल, फोर्थ वन इट्स द प्रॉफिटेबिलिटी. सो सिलेक्ट द राइट ऑप्शन फ्रॉम द फॉलोइंग्स. A1, B2, C3, D4, B it's A4, B3, C2, D1, C it's A3, B2, C4, D1, D it's A2, B3, C4, D1. So friends, so C is the right option for this मतलब ABC analysis will be matched with inventory control, then B NPV will be matched with project evaluation, then C ROI will be matched with profitability, and contribution margin मतलब D will be matched with the break even analysis. So friends, so C is the right option for this MCQ. So next one हम देखेंगे sensitivity analysis is performed for which purposes? Whether ascertainment of risks, B is the built scenario for risk profile, C is the determination of profitability, D is the trade off the risk and return. Friends, so A is the right option for this MCQ. The sensitivity analysis is performed for or to ascertain of a risk. So A is the right option for this MCQ. So next one हम देखेंगे the operating cycle comes to and when, whether it's selling of finished goods, B it's the production of finished goods, C it's the realization of cash, D it's the payment of cash. फ्रेंड्स सो सी इज द राइट ऑप्शन फॉर दिस MCQ. आइए फ्रेंड्स हम चर्चा करेंगे ऑपरेटिंग साइकिल ऑफ वर्किंग कैपिटल refers to the total number of working days that a business takes to buy inventory, sell it off, and then collect the proceedings from the sale. It's the meaning of that is the operating cycle. So next one हम देखेंगे मैच the following in a list one with list 2. List 1 में क्या है टाइप्स ऑफ लिवरेज एंड इन लिस्ट 2 इट्स द एक्सप्लेनेशन. A it's a super leverage, B it's operating leverage, C it's the financial leverage. So list 2 में क्या है फर्स्ट क्या है द प्रेजेंस ऑफ फिक्स्ड रिटर्न फंड्स इन द कैपिटल स्ट्रक्चर ऑफ ए बिजनेस फर्म. सेकंड द प्रेजेंस ऑफ फिक्स्ड कॉस्ट इन द कॉस्ट structure of a business firm. Third one is the impact of change in selling on the earnings available to shareholders. Select the right option from the following. A1, B2, 3, C3, B is A3, B2, C1, C is A2, B3, C1, D is A1, B3, C2. Friends, so B is the right option for this MCQ. मतलब super leverage will be matched with this, then B will be matched with this, and C financial leverage will be matched with this one from the list 2. So friends, so B is the right option for this MCQ. आइए friends हम चर्चा करें what is the meaning of leverage. So leverage is an investment strategy by using borrowed money, specifically the use of financial instruments or borrowed capital to increase the potential return of an investment of a business firm. It's the meaning of leverage. So next one MCQ हम देखेंगे the total of stream of discounted expected cash benefits from a course of action over the time period is known as क्या है whether it's a gross profit, B it's the net profit, C it's a net present value, D it's the gross present value. Friends, so D is the right option for this MCQ. In this situation, so will हम क्या बोलेंगे और क्या कहेंगे it's a the ग्रॉस प्रेजेंट वैल्यू. सो नेक्स्ट वन हम देखेंगे ए फिक्स्ड कैश फ्लो इन एवरी ईयर इज ए फिक्स्ड कैश फ्लो इन एवरी ईयर फॉर स्पेसिफाइड नंबर ऑफ ईयर्स इज नोन एज क्या है वेदर ए इट्स डिस्काउंटिंग, बी इट्स कंपाउंडिंग, सी इट्स एन्युटी, डी इट्स द टाइम वैल्यू ऑफ मनी. फ्रेंड्स, सो सी इज द राइट ऑप्शन फॉर दिस MCQ. So next one हम देखेंगे debt equity ratio is calculated by which formula? A it's total outsider funds divided by total shareholders equity. B it's total shareholders equity divided by total outsider funds. C it's total assets divided by total liabilities. D it's total liabilities divided by total assets. So friends, so A is the right option for this MCQ. Debt equity ratio is calculated by total outsider funds divided by total shareholders equity. So next one हम देखेंगे the term euro currency market means क्या है whether A it's an international foreign exchange market, B it is the money market for currency outside of the country where it is the legal tender, C it's the countries adopt the euro as their currency, D it's none of these. Friends, so B is the right option for this MCQ. The term euro currency means it is the money market for currency outside of the country where it is legal tender. So next one हम देखेंगे what are the issues included in the international capital budgeting. A it's exchange rate risks, political risks. Third one is tax events, inflation effects, leverage effects, project cash flows. Friends, so select the right option from the following. A it's all the above except 4, B it's all the above except 5, C it's all the above except 6, D it's all the above. Friends, so these are all are So these are the issues included in international capital budgeting. आइए फ्रेंड्स हम चर्चा करें what is the meaning of capital budgeting so far as the international capital budgeting is a concern. So capital budgeting is a process of investigation and analysis which leads to a key financial decision for both the purely domestic firms and MNCs. मतलब फ्रेंड्स ये multinational company. So it's a ना मतलब क्या है इंटरनेशनल कैपिटल बजटिंग. सो नेक्स्ट वन फ्रेंड्स आइए हम मैच करेंगे लिस्ट वन विथ लिस्ट टू. लिस्ट वन में क्या है इंटरनेशनल फाइनेंशियल इंस्ट्रूमेंट्स. ए इट्स GTR, बी इट्स ADR, सी इट्स FCCB. फ्रेंड्स सो इट्स द फॉरेन करेंसी कन्वर्टेबल बॉन्ड्स. द एक्सप्लेनेशन डिस्क्रिप्शन क्या है. फर्स्ट वन व्हिच आर the convertible bonds which are issued in a foreign currency, which means the principal repayment and the periodic coupon payments will be made in a foreign currency. Second, so these are a form of equity security which was created specifically to simplify the foreign investing for American investors. Third one, it's so these are the depository receipts issued by a depository bank that purchase shares of a foreign company. So friends, I select the right option from the following. Whether A it's A1, B2, C3, B it's that is the A3, B2, C1, C it's the C3, B1, C2, D it's A2, B3, C1. So friends, so B is the right option for this MCQ. Global depository receipts will be matched with this. Then B ADR, American depository receipts, will be matched with this one. Then FCCBs will be matched with the first one from the list 2. So friends, so B is the right option for this MCQ. Then which statements are correct from the following? Statement 1, GTR is a bank certificate issued in more than one country for shares in a foreign country. Friends, GTR it stands for that is the global depository receipt, friends, which we have already discussed. Then statement 2, a GTR is same as to ATR. And statement 3, it's a GTRs are known as a European depository receipts EDR when the private markets are attempting to obtain euros. Select the right option from the following. A, all the statements are correct except 1. B, it's all the statements are correct except 2. C, it's all the statements are correct except 3. D, it's all the above. Friends, so D is the right option for this MCQ. मतलब statement 1, 2 and 3 are correct or right. So next one हम देखेंगे. It's the common question. What now we'll discuss what is the basic difference between the GTR and ADR. So friends, during the discussion we'll also cover the important concepts and meaning. Issued, so GTR issued by the United States, where ADR it's a issued by that is the European country. Then purpose, helps acquire the resources in the USA. Then helps acquire the resources in different countries. Then object is invest in foreign companies in the case of a GTR, whereas invest in different countries in the case of a ADR. So restriction, it's in that is in USA. Then it's a restriction where in other countries. Then listing stock exchange, it's USA, whereas other countries in other countries stock exchange. Then the disclosure terms, that is the onerous, whereas the it's that is the less onerous. So friends, so this is the basic difference between that is the GTR and ADR. So friends, you have to remember it. So next one हम देखेंगे. No doubt from the return earnings. Internal sources of finance in the form of return earnings RE of a firm involves क्या है, whether it's a sunk cost, B it's the inputted cost, C it's the implicit cost, fourth one it's that is the explicit cost. No doubt friends, so C is the right option for this MCQ. आइए फ्रेंड्स हम चर्चा करेंगे रिटर्न अर्निंग्स का मतलब क्या. इट्स द सम ऑफ अ कंपनीज अर्निंग्स फ्रॉम prior period after deducting any dividends paid to the company's shareholder. So इसका मतलब क्या है, the its return earnings is the part of the profit मतलब the undistributed dividend to the shareholders. Then the cost of capital involves which types of cost, whether A it's imputed cost, second it's the implicit cost, third one it's that is the explicit cost, fourth one it's the sunk cost. Select the right option from the following as given below. A it's the first and second only, B it's the first and third only, C it's the second and third only, D it's the second and fourth only. Friends, so C is the right option for this MCQ. मतलब implicit cost and explicit cost are involved in where cost of capital. आइए फ्रेंड्स हम चर्चा करेंगे what is the meaning of that is the cost of capital. So companies, that is the calculation of a minimum return that would be necessary in order to justify the undertaking a capital budgeting project such as that is the building a new factory. It's that is the meaning of cost of capital. In simply word, it's the minimum rate of return which is expected by the investor. It's the meaning of cost of capital. So next one हम देखेंगे the amount of capital which is not represented by the same value of assets of a company for its promotion, it is known as हम क्या बोलेंगे, whether it's a reserve capital, B it's the watered capital, C it's the registered capital, D it's the subscribed capital. No doubt friends, so it's a B is the right option for this MCQ. हम क्या बोलेंगे उसको, that is the watered capital. So next one हम देखेंगे the total short term as well as the long term sources of finance of a business firm is called क्या है, whether A it's the financial structure, B it's the capital structure, C it's the ownership capital, D it's the borrowed capital. No doubt friends, so A is the right option for this MCQ. So I have discussed in detail one video I have already posted, that is the it's the capital structure. So by citing the suitable example, so I have already discussed the meaning of a capital structure, financial structure, and the ownership capital, borrowed capital, as well as the capitalization. Kindly go through the posted video. So next one हम देखेंगे net income approach of capital structure has been introduced by whom, whether used in pharma, B it's Modigliani, C it's Miller, D it's the David Durant. Friends, so D is the right option for this MCQ. The net income approach of capital structure has been introduced by the David Durant. So D is the right option for this MCQ. So next one हम देखेंगे the process of purchasing the securities from one market with intention to sell the same in higher price in the another market, it is हम क्या बोलेंगे उसको, whether it's trading, B it's the arbitrage, C it's the bargaining, D it's the insider trading. No doubt friends, so B is the right option for this MCQ. हम क्या बोलेंगे उसको, it's the arbitrage. So next one हम देखेंगे the cost which is associated with the financial distress and it is called क्या है, whether it's the bankruptcy cost, B it's the conversion cost, C it's the net loss, D it's the gross loss. Friends, so A is the right option for this MCQ. हम क्या बोलेंगे उसको, the cost which is associated with the financial distress and it is called that is the bankruptcy cost. So A is the right option for this MCQ. So next one हम देखेंगे the method to calculate the accounting rate of return is क्या है, whether it's average income after tax divided average investment into 100, B it's average income after tax divided by initial investment into 100, C it's the average income after tax but before interest divided by initial investment and into 100, D it's the all the above. Friends, so D is the right option for this MCQ. For to get the accounting rate of return value, so A, B, C, this method can be used to calculate the ARR. So next one हम देखेंगे the method to calculate the profitability index is क्या है, whether it's the cash outflows divided by cash inflows, B it's the cash inflows divided by cash outflows, C it's the present value of cash inflows divided by present value of cash outflows, D it's the present value of cash outflows divided by present value of cash inflows. So friends, so C is the right option for this MCQ. The PI is calculated by this method, मतलब the PV or present value of cash inflows divided by present value of cash outflows. So next one हम देखेंगे a discount rate which equates the present value of inflows to present value of the cash outflows. It is known as क्या है, whether internal rate of return, B is the economic rate of return, C is the payback period, D is the profitability index. No doubt friends, so A is the right option for this MCQ. A discount rate which equates the present value of inflows to present value of the cash outflows, it is known as IRR. So next one हम देखेंगे the cash flows during the lifespan of projects are divided into क्या and cash flows, whether A is the initial cash flows, terminal cash flows and operating cash flows, B is the operating cash flows and initial cash flows and terminal cash flows, C is the initial cash flows, operating cash flows and terminal cash flows, D is the initial cash inflows and operating cash inflows and terminal cash inflows. Friends, so C is the right option for this MCQ. The cash flows during the lifespan of a project are divided into initial cash flows and operating cash flows and terminal cash flows. So next one हम देखेंगे कौन सा मेथड और डैश मेथड ऑफ कैपिटल बजटिंग इज कॉल्ड द बेनिफिट कॉस्ट रेशियो, वेदर पीवी पीरियड मेथड, B is the internal rate of return method, C is the PI method, D is the NPV method. So friends, so C is the right option, मतलब PI method of capital budgeting is also known as or called क्या है, the benefit cost ratio. Next one हम देखेंगे when an option is exercised at any time before its maturity, it is called क्या है, whether England option, B is the American option, C is the European option, D is the BRICS option. Friends, so B is the right option for this MCQ. हम क्या बोलेंगे उसको, American option. So next one हम देखेंगे in India commercial paper is regulated by whom, whether it's the Reserve Bank of India, B is the Securities and Exchange Board of India, C is the Bombay Stock Exchange, D it's a typing error National Stock Exchange. So friends, so A is the right option for this MCQ. In India commercial paper is regulated by RBI. So A is the right option for this MCQ. So next one हम देखेंगे which are the principles of capital structure. First, timing principle. Second, it's the control principle. Third one, it's the risk principle. D, it's the cost principle. Friends, so select the right option from the following. A, all the above except 1. B, it's A, all the above except 2. C, it's all the above except 3. D, it's all the above. Friends, so D is the right option for this MCQ. मतलब first, second, third, fourth principles are taken into or followed in the case of a capital structure. So next one हम देखेंगे फ्रेंड्स, आइए हम चर्चा करें व्हाट इज द मीनिंग ऑफ कैपिटल स्ट्रक्चर. सो कैपिटल स्ट्रक्चर इज ए पर्टिकुलर कॉम्बिनेशन ऑफ डेट एंड इक्विटी which is used by a company or firm to finance its overall operation of the growth. So capital structure is equal to what is this in mathematical equation, that is the debt capital plus equity capital, or it's a borrowed fund plus that is the equity fund, or you can say that is the external equities plus internal equities. So friends, we have to remember. So next one MCQ हम देखेंगे dash the rate at which the discounts the cash flows to zero. कौन सा मेथड में, whether ARR, B it's the IRR, C it's the NPV, D it's the payback period method. Friends, so B is मतलब IRR is the rate at which discount the cash flows to zero. So next one हम देखेंगे which statements are true from the following. A, or first it's the social cost benefit analysis is ACBA is vital to provide to private companies or corporation also who have the moral responsibility to take up the social it's desirable, sorry for typing error, that is the desirable projects. Second is in IRR, the reinvestment is assumed to be made at internal rate of return rate. Third, we see in NPV, the cash flows are to be reinvested at the cost of capital rate. Friends, so select the right option from the following. A, it's all the above except 1. B, it's all the above except 2. C, it's all the above except 3. D, it's all the above. Friends, so D is the right option for this MCQ. मतलब the first, second and third statements are true. So next one हम देखेंगे operating leverage calculated by which formula, whether it's contribution divided by EBIT, B it's the sales divided by EBIT, C it's the fixed cost divided by sales, D it's the sales divided by profit. Friends, so EBIT it's earning before interest and tax. So contribution, so it's that is the profit divided by fixed cost. It's known as what is this the contribution. So friends, so A is the right option for this MCQ. So next one I हम देखेंगे financial leverage is calculated by whom, by which formula. A it's the sales divided by EBIT, B it's the EBIT divided by EBT, earning before tax, C it's the fixed cost divided by sales, D it's the sales divided by profit. No doubt friends, so B is the right option for this MCQ. आइए friends हम चर्चा करें what is the basic difference between the operating leverage and the financial leverage. Operating leverage, so it is an ability of a firm or company to use its operating cost, whereas financial leverage is an ability, or leverage is an ability of a firm to use its capital structure. Operating leverage is related to operating or fixed cost, whereas financial leverage is related to the capital structure. Then operating leverage measures the operating risks of a firm, whereas financial leverage measures the financial risks of a firm. Operating leverage shows the relationship between the sales and EBIT, whereas the financial leverage shows the relationship between EBIT and EPS. मतलब friends earning per share. Operating leverage, lower operating leverage is preferable, whereas higher financial leverage is preferable. So friends, so it's a basic difference between operating leverage and financial leverage. So next one MCQ देखें, the term financial engineering is used for which purposes, whether it's merger and acquisition, it's the capital structure, C it's the risk management, D it's the cost of production. So no doubt friends, so C is the right option for this MCQ. Friends, in a separate video I have already discussed the meaning of risks and different types of risks and difference between systematic risks and unsystematic risks. Kindly go through the posted video, definitely you will know more and more. So next one हम देखेंगे, आइए फ्रेंड्स हम चर्चा करें what is the meaning of financial engineering. So financial engineering, it is the use of mathematical techniques to solve the financial related problems in order to minimize the risks and uncertainties and enhance the return from the investment or project to the firm. So next one MCQ देखेंगे, which one is not the external sources of finance, whether A is a letter of credit, B is the trade credit, C is the depreciation fund, D is the advance from customer. Friends, so C is the right option for this MCQ. So depreciation fund is not the external source of finance, मतलब depreciation fund is the internal sources of finance. So next one हम देखेंगे, what are the determinants or factors influencing or affecting the capital structure of the firm. A, it's the financial distress, second it's the flotation cost, third one it's the corporate tax, fourth one is the credit standing, fifth one it's the flexibility, sixth one it's the control, seventh one it's the interest coverage ratio, eighth one is that is the management ideology. Friends, select the right option from the following. A, it's all the above except 1, B it's all the above except 6, C it's all the above except 8, D it's all the above. Friends, so D is the right option for this MCQ. So these are the determinants or the factors, so they will influence or affect the capital structure of a firm or a company. So next one, आइए फ्रेंड्स हम मैच करेंगे लिस्ट वन विथ लिस्ट टू. लिस्ट वन में क्या है, टाइप्स ऑफ डिविडेंड. एंड फ्रेंड्स, फॉर योर काइंड इन्फॉर्मेशन, आई हैव ऑलरेडी पोस्टेड one video what is the meaning of dividend and what are the different types of dividend. Kindly go through the posted video. So A, it's a proper dividend. B, it's the bond dividend. C, it's the stock dividend. Fourth one, D, matlab it's the cash dividend. And in list 2, first security, then provision note, then bonus share, then liquidity. Friends, select the right option from the following, whether A1, B2, C3, D4, D it's A4, B3, C2, D1, C it's A3, B4, C1, D3, D it's A2, B4, C2, 3, D1. No doubt friends, so A is the right option for this MCQ. Property dividend will be matched with the securities, or company will pay the securities in the form of a proper dividend. Then bond dividend, it's the provision note. Then stock dividend, it's the bonus share. Cash dividend, in the case of that is the liquidity purposes. So it's the matching list A with list 2. So A is the right option for this MCQ. So next one हम देखेंगे which statements are true from the following. Friends, it's ECB, that is the European convertible bond, is the external commercial borrowings. It stands for. B, it's the foreign bonds are the foreign currency bond. Third, it's LIBOR is the London Interbank Offered Rate. Fourth one, it's ECB, it's Euro commercial paper, is a short-term market security generally issued at a discount for maturity less than 1 year. So friends, select the right option from the following. A, it's all the above except 1. B, it's all the above except 3. D, it's all the above except 4. D, it's all the above. Friends, so D is the right option for this MCQ. मतलब first, second, third, fourth one. So these are the right statements. So ECB, it stands for external commercial borrowings. Friends, in a semester examination, in a true or false or MCQs as well as the abbreviation you will get, that is the full form of LIBOR क्या है, ECB और ECB you may get in semester examination. So next one हम देखेंगे which statements are true from the following. A, it's the cost of capital. Friends, I have already told you it's the minimum rate of return which is expected by the investors, is helpful to determine the dividend policy of a firm. Second is cost of capital is helpful to determine the working capital policy of a firm. Third one is cost of capital is helpful to determine the capital structure decision of a firm. Fourth one is cost of capital is helpful in capital budgeting decision of a firm. Friends, so select the right option from the following. A, it's all the above except 1. B, it's all the above except 2. C, it's all the above except 3rd. D, it's all the above. Friends, so D is the right option for this MCQ. The first, second, third, fourth. So these are the right or correct statements. So next one, आइए हम मैच करेंगे लिस्ट 1 with लिस्ट 2. लिस्ट 1 में क्या है, इट्स द मैक्सिमम डिस्काउंट रेट ऑन शेयर्स. बी, इट्स अ मैक्सिमम सब्सक्रिप्शन रेट. थर्ड, इट्स अंडर राइटिंग कमीशन ऑन डिवेंचर. डी, इट्स अंडर राइटिंग कमीशन ऑन शेयर्स. So these are the percentage in list 2. Select the right option from the following. A, 1, B2, C3, D4. B, it's A4, B3, C2, D1. Third, or C, it's A3, B4, C1, D2. D, it's A2, B4, C2, it's third. So no doubt friends, so C is the right option for this MCQ. मतलब A3 maximum discount rate on share will be how much, 10%. Then B4, it's the maximum subscription rate will be how much, that is the 90%. Then C1, underwriting commission of debenture, so this will be 2.5%. And D2, it's underwriting commission on share, so this will be how much, it's the 5%. So friends, so C is the right option for this MCQ. So next one हम देखेंगे which are the issue expenses to a business firm of the company, whether a first it's a printing expenses, then expenses, sorry, listing expenses, second listing expenses, then legal expenses, then underwriting commission, then professional consultation fee, and the brokerage fees. So friends, so it's in the listing expenses. Friends, select the right option from the following. A, it's all the above except 1. B, it's all the above except 2. C, it's all the above except 4. D, it's all the above. Friends, so मतलब first, second, third, fourth, fifth, and sixth. So these are the issue expenses to a business firm or to a company. So next one हम देखेंगे यूज ऑफ borrowed funds at a fixed cost for financing a business firm is called क्या है friends? It's a capital budgeting, B it's trading on equities, B it's capital structure, C it's the cost of capital. Friends, so B is the right option for this MCQ. The use of borrowed funds at a fixed rate for financing a business firm, it's known as or called क्या है trading on equity. So next one हम देखेंगे concept of securitization is associated with what? Whether it's the capital market, B it's the debt market, C it's the money market, D it's the forex market. So friends, you have to remember the concept of securitization is associated with that is the debt market. So friends, what is the meaning of securitization? So securitization puts the assets and repackages them into the interest bearing securities. An issuer मतलब the company designs a marketable financial instruments by merging the financial assets, commonly mortgage loans or the consumer or commercial debt. It's the meaning of securitization. So next one हम देखेंगे which are the determinants of a dividend policy, whether it inflation, then free cash flows, third one is the stability of dividend, fourth one is taxation policy, fifth one is leverage, sixth one is the future financial requirement. Friends, select the right option from the following. All the above except 1. B, it's all the above except 4. C, it's all the above except 4. D, it's all the above. Friends, so D is the right option for this MCQ. मतलब so these are all 6 are the determinants of a dividend policy. So next one हम देखेंगे which convention or conference has given the birth to International Monetary Fund IMF. Friends, whether A is the round table conference, B is the Uruguay round conference, C is the Bretton Woods conference, D is the Washington conference. Friends, so C is the right option for this MCQ. मतलब the Bretton Woods conference or convention has given the birth to International Monetary Fund. So its headquarters is friends where Washington DC, and its establishment year is what is this 1944, and the member countries of IMF are 190 countries or member countries. So the next one हम देखेंगे which currency has the largest weightage to determine the value of SDR, that is friends, so that is the SDR after the USA dollar. So whether it's the euro, B it's the British pound, C it's the Japan yen, D it's the Chinese yuan. No doubt friends. So that is the euro. So euro currency has the largest weightage to determine the value of that is the SDR. Friends, it's a special drawing right. So in previous video I have already discussed the meaning of SDR. Kindly go through the posted video मतलब the playlist. So next one हम देखेंगे फॉरवर्ड मार्जिन मीन्स क्या है. A, whether the overseas profit is the commission payable to exchange broker. C, it's the difference between spot rate and forward rate. D, it's the profit on forward contract. No doubt friends. So C is the right option for this MCQ. Vital MCQ. Forward margin means क्या है? It's the difference between spot rate and forward rate, or the spot rate minus forward rate is equal to what is this? The forward margin, or forward margin is equal to what is this? Spot rate minus forward rate. नेक्स्ट वन हम देखेंगे स्पॉट रेट रेफर्स फॉर सेटलमेंट whether it on the same day, B it's after 2 working days, C it's after 7 working days, D it's the after 15 working days. So friends, so B is the right option for this MCQ. Spot rate refers for settlement after 2 working days. आइए फ्रेंड्स हम चर्चा करेंगे व्हाट इज द मीनिंग ऑफ स्पॉट रेट. Spot rate, also it's known as spot price. It is the price quoted for immediate settlement of an interest rate, commodity, a security or a currency. ये तो मतलब क्या है मीनिंग ऑफ अ स्पॉट रेट. So next one, currency swap is a technique of क्या, whether A it's the payment provision in foreign trade, B it's the speculation provision in foreign exchange, C it's the hedging against the foreign exchange risk, D is the leverage instrument provision by bank. Friends, so C is the right option for this MCQ. So currency swap is a technique of hedging against the foreign exchange risk. So C is the right option for this MCQ. So next one हम देखेंगे the most widely used monetary policy tool is क्या है, whether issuing of notes based open market operation, C it's a that is the discount rate, D it's a none of this. So no doubt friends, so B is the right option for this MCQ. मतलब OMO. So आइए हम चर्चा करें what is the meaning of OMOS. So it's a open market operation are the buying and selling of government securities in the open market, and it is done by RBI in India for the in favor of the or for the government. So when the central bank मतलब RBI wants to infuse the liquidity into the money net system, it will buy government securities in the open market. So it's the meaning of that is open market operations or open market operation. So next one हम देखेंगे करेंसी डिवैल्यूएशन ऑफ इंडियन रूपी हैज लार्जली बीन ड्यू टू कौन सा रीजन में, वेदर हाई करेंसी सर्कुलेशन विथ द डिक्लाइनिंग द डोमेस्टिक सेविंग्स एंड इन्वेस्टमेंट. थर्ड वन इट्स इंक्रीज इन द एफडीआई फ्लोज. फ्रेंड्स, so FDI it's for a direct investment. Then the portfolio outflows. Fifth one is higher imports and debt servicing. Friends, select the right option from the following. A first, second, third only. B is the second, third, fourth only. C is the fourth and fifth only. D is all the above. Friends, so D is the right option for this MCQ. मतलब the currency devaluation of Indian rupee has been largely due to or because of क्या है portfolio outflows and the it's a higher imports and debt servicing. Friends, so C is the right option for this MCQ. So next one क्या है, match the following से in list 1 with list 2 vital MCQ. In list 1 में hedging concepts. A is the option premium, B is the in money option, C is the European option, D is the American option. So these are the explanation. First one क्या है, it is an option which presents a profit opportunity due to the relationship between the strike price and the prevailing market price of the underlying asset. So second one explanation, it is the current market price of an option contract and thus the income received by the seller. So here seller is the writer of an option contract to another party. So third one explanation, it is the type of options contract that allows the option holder to exercise the option only on the expiration date of the option. Fourth one, it is an option contract that allows holder to exercise the option at any time prior to and including its expiration date. So friends, so select the right option from the following. A1, B2, C3, D4. B it's A2, B1, C3, D4. C it's A4, B3, C2, D1. D it's A3, B4, C2, D1. No doubt friends, so B is the right option for this MCQ. Option premium explanation will be this one. Then B1 in money option explanation will be this one. Then it's a C3 European so it's a option this will be, then a European option, so this will be, then American option, so D, matlab D4. So American options explanation will be this one. So friends, you have to remember. So friends, your B is the right option for this MCQ. So last but not the least, the vital MCQs also. The types of derivative contracts or types of derivatives, and in list 2 it's the explanation. A it's options, B it's the futures, C it's the forward, D it's the swaps. So options. So first one, it is an option which presents a profit opportunity due to the relationship between the strike price and prevailing market price of underlying assets. Second one, so these are like futures contracts wherein the holder is under an obligation to perform the contract, but the forwards are on standardized and non-traded on stock exchanges. Third one is so these are the standardized contracts which allow the holder to buy or sell the asset at an agreed price at a specified date. Fourth one explanation is these are the derivatives contracts which give the buyer a right to buy or sell the underlying assets at a specified price during the certain period of time. Friends, select the right option from the following: A1, B2, C3, 4, D4, B is C, A4, B3, C2, D1. Then third one, A4, B2, C, C3 and D1. D is A3, B4, C2, D1. No doubt friends, so B is the right option for this MCQ. Matlab options explanation will be this one, then futures options will be third one, then C forwards option will be second, then swaps option will be क्या है, it's first one explanation from the list. So friends, so these are all about the 7 vital MCQs from the business finance. So I have prepared these 7 vital MCQs as per the prescribed syllabus of or from the business finance. So again, I am requesting to all of you during the discussion, if any mismatch or gap you find, kindly you give your valuable comment and suggestion in the comment section. Friends, suppose you have visited first time to my channel, kindly you subscribe it, kindly you share it, kindly you forward it. I am waiting your valuable comment and suggestion. Kindly you give your valuable comment and suggestion in the comment section. So thanks a lot to all of you. So before ending our video lecture, once again I am wishing all the very best, not only to the NET ugc-net JRF examination, but also other semester examination and other examinations. So thanks a million to all of you.